Hi guys, today we're gonna be playing Souls RNG, and this is day 2 of trying to get a 1 in 1000 aura in Souls RNG. Let's get right into it. Bruh, how hard even is getting solar? Sorry guys for the bad grammar because huh? How why did it skip forbidden though? Wait, let me see. Why did it skip forbidden, bruh? Wait, did it skip forbidden? I don't know. Let me see. I guess I didn't get the forbidden. Okay, let's get right into it. Let's get back to it. Bro, they keep skipping the ones that are good, man. Why do they keep skipping it? Bruh, this is taking too long. I need that solar. Yo, I got sapphire. Wait, let me see. Wait, what's up? It's rarer than jackpot. Sheesh. Eh naman.
Wow! So beautiful! Anyways, let's get back to it.
Bruh. Oh, man. I just need the 1 in 1000 aura here, bro. Just give me it. Bro, why, bro, wait, why is bro hiding here? Let me go in here. Never mind. Wait, let me try to go there. Wait, where was that again? No, I'm lost. I'm lost. Wait, where is it? Oh, no, where is it? Bruh. Man, I guess it's gone forever. Okay, this was here. And then I went here. Wait, where is it? I think it's here. Yes, it was. Yahoo! Okay, let's get there. Let's not try to. Man, I'm scared. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot. Don't forget to like and sub or ends. Okay, storage. I have so many, bro. The one I hate the most is here. Topaz. It looks so brown. Why? That's why. Oh, I forgot to turn off the mic. Bro, getting solar is too hard. Why? Ah. Okay. Why did they up there? Huh? Huh? Let's get up there. Hello? No. 1.5 million. Yeah. I think I saw a ladder here. Never mind. Bro, huh? I didn't skip rage though. I think this game is rigged or something. Bro, when will I ever get that 1 in 1,000? Where did it go? Oh, so this is where the potions is. Okay. Power up of the wind speeds. Huh? Okay. Why not getting faster? Bro! How? Oh, huh? Oh. Sorry guys, but I'm gonna delete Topaz. Wait. Should I really do that? When it's too late. Is it too late now to say sorry? Okay. Bro, this video is taking too long, man. Don't forget to like and sub. Yes. I must skip it. Sorry, guys. Wait, no. Yes! Yes! Finally. Guys, finally. After 1,000 years, I got this. I got precious. Okay guys, that's it for the video. Like and sub. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye-bye. So